Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Lacy and this is my art channel. Today we're doing another Create This Book video. If you haven't seen my other videos in this series, I'll link it in the iCards above. This is a book that was created by another YouTuber, Moriah. So far, I've been doing this book in order, and today our next prompt is create a page of garbage. It says draw, photograph, write, or attach a bunch of items that you regularly throw in the garbage. I have to say, I was not feeling this page when I came to it. I didn't want to create garbage, I just wanted to create something that was cute. But I went to Pinterest for inspiration and I trudged through this page as best as I could. In the end, I didn't hate the result. Surprisingly, I don't think it's going to win any awards, but it's not the worst thing I've created. Though I guess I can finally say that my art is garbage. Just kidding.
Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. That corner coffee shop.
Our next prompt is create a pet. It says, make this page into a pet. Don't forget to give it a name. For this prompt, maybe it wasn't super original, but I decided to draw my dog Oreo. I often draw him and I find him to be very cute, so I'm glad to share him with all of you. This was actually my favorite prompt out of the 3 that I did in this video. You'll have to let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite. Also, if you've done any of these pages in your own Create This Book, I would love to see it. Feel free to put the link in the comments below or tag me on social media. I have a link in the description. It's a link tree. You click it and you should see all of my social media links.
The simple joy of hearing your voice every morning. I wake to a kiss on my face, so I don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything.
Lastly, we have the prompt create a page of polka dots. It says put polka dots on the page. Polka dots remind me of the stickers from the 90s. I think I kind of did something like this before in one of my other Create This Book videos using stars, but I thought it would spice up our polka dots, so I used patterns, emojis, and flowers to liven up the page. It was a lot of fun, even if it was a prompt that I wasn't exactly excited for. I thank each and every one of you for making it this far. Your continued support means so much to me. If you like this video, consider hitting that like button, and if you would like to see more Create This Book videos, consider subscribing so you don't miss any of them. I look forward to seeing all of you in the next video, and if you didn't watch last week's video, I actually made another YouTube channel where I'm just doing like simple doodles. I'd love for you to check it out. It's called Lacy Made Doodles. But other than that, I will see all of you next time. Bye!
The simple joy of hearing your voice every morning. I wake to a kiss on my face, so I don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything. Can't imagine living life alone
if we were to go our separate ways.
'Cause with you I feel like
Who knows how far we go?
Don't you know that all that I need is your body next to me on rainy days? Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple love and